Allora Janet, ascolta bene, eh? Sopra la panca la crepa campa, sotto la panca la crepa crepa.
Antonio, I don't know if you're speaking Italian or not, but I couldn't understand a word that you're saying. But if you want to talk that quickly, we can go to an advanced level of...
No. Please, slowly.
All right.
Okay.
Why don't you say to me, please, could you speak more slowly?
Yes. Please, could you speak more slowly?
Which is perfect, because our lesson today is about the verb could.
Ah, good. You see?
So we'll talk about could.
Good.
And its conjugation. And the interrogative and the negative.
Negative. I knew it.
Of course. Then we're going to look at how to say something like, what is a cab?
What is a cab?
How to ask questions about words that you don't understand.
Right. Come si fanno a chiedere i significati delle parole che non si conoscono.
And then we'll look at the verb to want.
To want.
I want to change some money. She wants to go on vacation.
Okay.
Finally, we'll talk about sentences with have to. I have to go.
Okay.
But first...
The fiction.
Yes. In our next episode, Elena arranges to take the broken teacup to get repaired. Agatha tells her how to get there.
Okay, good.
Shall we begin?
Yes.
Is that Britannia restoration shop? Can you repair a ceramic vase? Oh, thank you. What is your shop? Could you say that again? 19A Britannia Street, near King's Cross. I'm sorry, what does tube mean? Oh, the train. The underground. Yes. No. Could you say that again? Oh. Between King's Cross Road and Gray's Inn Road. Thank you very much. Wait. Hello? Yes. What time do you close? Oh dear, 6. Thank you. Goodbye. I have to go there before my shift. Hello? Oh, hello, Chan. Yes, I'm looking forward to tonight. Where do you want to meet? Queensway. What time? That's okay. I will come from work. I finish at 7, yes. How do I get there? Okay, I'll see you later. Bye. Bye.
You sound happy this morning.
Oh, yes, good morning.
Oh, can I have a cup too?
Yes, of course.
Are you going to meet Chong tonight?
Yes, we arranged to meet at a restaurant in Queensway. Oh. Do you know how to get there? I'm afraid of the underground. Does the bus go there?
Yes. You can catch the 9:28 going towards Golders Green, and then at Notting Hill Gate, take the 94 bus towards Piccadilly, and then you want...
That sounds very difficult.
Are you coming home after work?
No, I'll go directly from work.
I think you should come here, and I will help you get dressed, and it won't take long from here.
We're meeting at 8:30.
Well, then take a cab.
Cab?
A mini cab. A taxi?
Oh, taxi. Taxi.
Do you think Victor's having a good time in Brussels?
Boulogne.
Oh,
oh, yes, I'm sure he is.
Boulogne, yes. I adore everything French.
Wow.
Harold and I have such fond memories of Paris.
I would like to go to Paris.
Oh, you will. Maybe soon, for your honeymoon. You know, Victor speaks fluent French.
I need to find the right man.
Well, don't look too far.
Okay, Agatha, I'm going to get dressed. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so let's start. Elena says, I could go. So we're going to now look at the verb could.
Perfetto, quindi adesso studiamo il verbo could.
Listen to me. I can go. I could go.
I can go, io posso andare. I could go, io potrei andare.
He can go. He could go.
Quindi anche per la terza persona non ci vuole la S. He can go, lui può andare. He could go, lui potrebbe andare.
So nothing changes with could. It all remains the same.
Perfetto, quindi non cambia nulla.
I could go. You could go. She could go.
Ok,
They could go.
ok, perfect.
So it's important to remember that we say she could go, not she could to go.
Esatto, quindi non si mette il to dopo could, ma semplicemente il verbo go in questo caso come can. Quindi I can go, I could go.
Exactly.
Perfetto.
Perfect. Now, to make it negative, we just put the not after could.
Ok,
Simple.
could not. Or couldn't.
Antonio,
Janet.
you don't need a teacher anymore.
No, please. I couldn't live without you.
Well, yes, you could,
Ok, could.
but maybe not with pronouncing the word correctly. So let's look at the way it's spelled.
Sbaglio sempre la pronuncia, ok?
It does have an L.
C'è la L.
You just said cooled
Yes.
because the word is spelled with an L, but we don't pronounce it.
Ok.
It's silent.
Quindi c'è la L ma non si pronuncia. Could.
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 Perfect. One more time.
Could.
Perfect.
Could.
Now, here's the interrogative form.
Ok.
Could you help me?
Could you help me?
Could you say that again?
Could you help me?
Yes.
Okay.
And could you say that again?
Could you help me? How many times?
The interrogative with you is
Okay.
could you say that again?
Okay.
Repeat that. Could
Could
you
you
say
say
that
that
again?
again?
Very good.
Ok.
Could you speak more slowly?
Could you speak more slowly?
Could they come tomorrow?
Could they come tomorrow?
Could I have another biscuit?
Could I have another biscuit?
I think that's enough of could for the time being.
Yes, basta con could. We understand.
Yes. But Elena was having a little difficulty understanding some words.
Right?
So she said, "What's a cab?"
Ok, infatti lei non capiva cosa volesse dire cab e ha detto what's the cab?
What's a cab?
What's a cab?
She also said, "What does tube mean?"
Ok, quindi lei sia quando non capiva la parola cab, che ha detto what's a cab, sia quando non capiva la parola tube, ha detto what does
A tube mean?
a tube mean?
Or what does the word tube mean?
Ok, ma si può dire what means the word tube?
No, Antonio, no.
No.
That is not correct.
Ok.
Even if people understand what you mean,
Perché è facile da dire così. Cosa vuol dire la parola tube? What means the word tube?
yes, but it's not correct. It's incorrect English. You sound like me, Tarzan, you, Jane.
Esatto. Me, Tarzan, you, Jane.
Yes, except the correct way to say it is I am Tarzan, you are Jane.
Sì, ho capito. la forma corretta sarebbe stato I am Tarzan and you are Jane.
Exactly.
Però è più bello me Tarzan, you Jane.
In a movie, but not in an English class.
Ok, ok.
So the correct form is, what does something, something, something mean?
What does something, something, something mean? Ok.
For example, what does cab mean?
What does cab mean?
What does overhead locker mean?
Cosa vuol dire? Over,
Overhead locker.
overhead locker?
Yes.
E cosa vuol dire?
It's the place in an airplane where you put your
È
baggage.
vero, è dove si mettono i bagagli a mano nell'aereo.
What does wake up call mean?
Ok, che cosa vuol dire wake up call, che poi sarebbe la sveglia la mattina?
At a hotel.
In hotel, esatto.
You understand, Antonio?
Io capisco.
And don't forget.
No, non ti preoccupare. I want to learn.
Good, because that brings us to the next part of our lesson.
Ok?
You want to learn.
I want to learn.
He wants to go.
Ok, quindi con la S, he wants to go.
She wants to change some money.
She wants to change some money.
They want to have fun.
They want to have fun. Loro si vogliono divertire.
Notice that we say want to go,
Ok.
not want go.
Ok, certo. Quindi si è messo il to. I want to go e non bisogna dire I won't go. Ok.
Elena said, where do you want to meet?
Where do you want to meet?
And then, what time do you want to go?
Ok, a che ora vuoi andare? What time do you want to go? Ma si può dire at what time do you want to go?
Oh, yes.
Ah, quindi si può dire sia what time do you want to go e si può anche dire at what time do you want to go, come in italiano a che ora volete andare.
So, there you are, Antonio.
Ok.
We're done with want. Do you understand?
Sì?
Otherwise, you can always say, sorry, I don't understand.
Ok, certo. Sorry.
Try.
Ok. Sorry, I don't understand.
Say it one more time.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Very good. Now, the last thing before we finish.
L'ultima cosa. Ok.
Elena said, I have to go before my shift.
I have to go before my shift.
I have to find the right man.
I have to find the right man.
Notice that we say, I have to go, not I must go.
Ok, ma can I ask you something?
Yes, you can.
Ok. È sbagliato usare must, like I must find a woman?
No, it's not wrong. It's just that that whole subject is very complicated, and we can talk about it maybe in a later lesson.
Ok, ok.
I think that we've talked enough for today.
Va bene.
Maybe we could discuss something different next week.
Ok, perfect.
All right, but for now, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Could you follow the lesson? Let's review the grammar points. Today, first we looked at the word could. I could go, she could go. And questions like, could you speak more slowly? Could you say that again? And remember, we said that could always stays the same and that the L is silent. Then we looked at questions like, what's a cab? Or what does cab mean? What does overhead locker mean? What does wake-up call mean? Next, we looked at the verb want. You want to learn. He wants to go. Don't forget. He wants to go, not want go. Where do you want to meet? What time do you want to go? Then we practiced saying, sorry, I don't understand. And finally, we looked at sentences with have to, like, I have to go. I have to go before my shift. I have to find the right man. Well, that's enough for today. Thank you so much. See you soon.